Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to scale to frame size and how to set to frame size. Also I will show you which is the difference, which one should you use. Should you scale to frame size or should you set to frame size? Okay guys, many times happen to us that we have videos that are bigger or smaller than our sequence. Like in this case, for example, if we check here, we go like this and we go in properties, we can see that our sequence is full HD, 1920 by 1080. But we have here this video in 4K. Let's put the video in 4K to explain you what is happening. Look at this, the video is huge. For you to see properly the size of the video, let's go to 50% here so you can see the size of the video. Let's select the video and let's come here to effect controls and you will see in motion the size of the video. Look at the size of the video and look at the size of the sequence. This is 4K, this is full HD, okay? So it's double of the size. So what we're going to do is basically we can come here to scale and we can go down and go to 50% and that's it. We just fit the video. That's an easy way to do it. But let's go back to 100% and I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. If we come here and we just right click, we have here set to frame size. You see? And if we click it, it's doing exactly the same that scale. Don't get confused because it says scale here and here it says set. This is a Premiere mistake for years and they didn't change it until now. I don't know why. But well, set to frame size is doing exactly the same. We go to 50% as you can see. But now, like it says in the title of the video, we have two options. As you can see here, we have set to frame size and scale to frame size. What is the difference? When you set to frame size, actually the size of the video, the resolution didn't change at all. Premiere didn't change anything in the resolution. That's how you can see here 50%. So it means that if we go to 100%, we can still see the video there and the real size of the video. So Premiere didn't change anything. But now if we come here and we do the other one, scale to frame size, we can see that basically something very similar happened. They fit the video. Did you see? The video is perfect. But if you come here, you can see that it's actually 100%. So what Premiere just did is delete the pixels that are necessary to adjust the size of the video to fit in the sequence. So it means we lost resolution. So then the question comes, when do I use scale to frame size and when do I use set to frame size? When you set to frame size, you don't lose the resolution like I was saying before, and that allows you to play with the video a little bit. If you have many videos and you like set to frame size all of them, then you can add zoom, you can add a lot of things. Like for example, if you want to play with keyframes and then we do this, we can actually give movement to the video as you can see. And this is actually without losing any pixels because this is 4K resolution and the video is still keeping all the pixels there. As you can see here is 65% and we can go all the way to 100% and then come back to the 50% that is actually how Premiere Pro fit the video in the sequence. So this is the best thing of this. Of course, when this is happening, your computer is working a little bit more, Premiere is working a little bit more, so you have to keep that in mind if you're gonna do this with a lot of videos. But what happened with scale to frame size? Let's go back to the real size of the video and now let's scale it. So scale to frame size is actually something that you're going to do when you are not planning to do anything else with the video. So your question would be, why am I going to use a scale to frame size if actually set to frame size sounds good? It sounds good, but remember what I told you, your computer is going to work more, Premiere is going to work more. If you have a lot of videos of 4K and you start to do this scale to frame size, you're actually going to help your computer and Premiere not to work and struggle. So I'll suggest you to do that if you're not going to do anything with the video. Let's see this example, but now in the opposite. 4K resolution sequence and 1080 video. So this is a full HD video. And look at the size of the sequence, it's big. So in this case, scale to frame size, set to frame size is basically very similar, because at the end, what Premiere Pro is doing is actually stretching your video and creating pixels to make exactly the size of the sequence. So in this example, I will not suggest you to do any zoom or any effects because you are losing resolution.
I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Until next week.